Chris, just first of all, you've been made captain for the game against Panama. What a fantastic honour for you.
Yeah, really nice. The gaffer told me after the game on Friday evening, so yeah, it was nice, and I'm sure tomorrow evening it'll be a very proud night for me and my family.
Yeah, it'd be special for you walking out there, 85th cap as well, equaling Gary Speed's record. But I suppose as well as for you, it'll mean a lot for your family and friends.
Yeah, I mean, as a player, don't get me wrong, it's a very good achievement. It's a nice thing to do, but it's sort of your job in a way. Whereas for my family, especially my mum and dad who've come to a lot of those 84 games so far, it'll be a very nice evening for them. One that they've been through the pressures of results over the last sort of couple of years. So even though the result is important tomorrow, it's not. There's nothing really on the line. So hopefully they can relax and enjoy a little bit more. And yeah, I'm sure for them they'll have a great night.